Hey, Jonathan here with Central Sound. Here I'm going to show you how to replace the ear pads in your Jabra Elite 85H headset. So here I have a brand new set of ear pads. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. So first thing you want to do is pinch firmly and pull the ear pad away from the ear cup. There are small plastic clips inside that hold it in place. Here is the new ear pad as compared to the original one. And there's also a foam that would be stuck on the inside, and you can just peel that off. And whatever's left over, you can scrape that off and clean it off the best you can. Now there is 3M double-sided tape on here, so you want to remove the backing from it. It can be a little tricky, so take your time. And once that's removed, you can go ahead and place the foam piece over the driver unit, just like this. Press firmly down and make sure it's secure. Now take the ear cushion and line it up and then apply pressure to snap it in. There are small plastic clips that snap into place. So you may hear a click, and there it is. It's installed. That's what it looks like. And we sell these replacement ear pads at centralsound.co if you need them. And thank you for watching.